Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cash out on Bubble Arena. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Bubble Cash app, and then once you are there, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, here on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing a 3 horizontal bar. All you gotta do is simply tap on that, and on tapping here you'll be provided with a bunch of options, and among them you'll be seeing an option that says account with a wallet icon. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping here you'll be sent to the account section. Now here on the top you'll be provided with two options, that is history and withdraw. Simply tap on withdraw, and now all you gotta do is tap on this amount to withdraw option and then enter in the amount that you want to withdraw, and lastly tap on submit withdraw and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully cash out. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.